Hey guys, okay, so let's start making the touch input. So for doing that we need to open our third person template, okay, and you need to do where you want, and don't about the like kind of like you can see my interface. It's now so much dark and it's kind of like some strange, but don't worry, I'm using some plugins, that's why, and also some electronic notes, that's why it's looking like that. Okay, however, first of all, for making the touch you need to remove the PC control of the touch, like the left to right. Okay, you can't make sure that if you are trying to make game for both that PC and kind of like Windows or Android, you need to make sure that when you are exporting your game for Android, make sure you disable the computer inputs, and when you are exporting your game for a PC, make sure that you disable the Android touch or Android input. So as you can see, I just delete the move for the up down, and here's the pitch and the so just connect it with this like that. And now we need to, first of all, what you need to do is, if you have enter of touch inputs also, just remove that also. You only need one touch, so just search that touch, you find like this, that touch. Okay, at the touch you need to create a variable. The variable name should be vector2d. if you don't find like this, just at here just search that vector vector then 2d, and you find like this, that vector2d. then set it the name that start here position. Okay, start position, and then compile and save. Okay, so now then you need to create a one more custom event. Okay, so add a custom event, and this custom will be update your position. Okay, so just give it name it that update your positions. Now at the input you need to create a input that vector2d, same. Okay, just search that vector vector and vector2d. okay, make sure that set the vector2d and set it that the name is update vector update or update positions. Okay, that is the update positions. So compile and save. Okay, now we have like this, or maybe the position spelling is not correct, positions. Okay, now it's good, POS citation. Okay, however, this is our update positions. Okay, so now what you need to do is just get our start position and just connect it with trace and the release. Okay, and one is done, just drag it some like this and just split it. Okay, you find like that x and y value, and then you need to call your update position at here, that update position. Okay, at update position you can see you need to connect it from move, and also just connect it with this. Okay, so now at here, as you can see, they give you a x and y positions. Okay, as you can see, because it's a vector value, that's why. So okay, like split it. Okay, then you find like this, that float. Okay, make sure in your case it should be like this, that vector value, you need to just split it and you find that float value. Okay, so one is done from at here. Okay, your update position, just search that minus vector or vector2d, then get your start position and connect it with this. Okay, so then from at here you need to search that slash or divided vector minus float. Okay, make sure it's divided. Okay, by it is just a speed, that how much your touch is speed. Okay, this control your speed, so you can, by increasing and decreasing, you can control your the turn or rotation speeds. Okay, so from at here you now need to fill up this, that x and y, and this x and y. How? Just get the location. From a location you need to search that break, and you find like this, that vector value, and just connect it with this and y, and one is done. Also you need to connect it with this x and y. Okay, now my electronics note is so much pretty. I really like these plugins. Yeah guys, you should buy this plugin, it's so nice. Okay, however, then you need to get your this y and the pitch, just connect it with this, and also from this pin you need to split it, and you find that the x is your and y is your pitch. Okay, so that is the code you need to do for your control rotations. As you can see, we have the control set, and don't need to do anything more. Just go at your project settings and search that mouse and enable your mouse touch, and then just search that mobile, and just disable Unreal Engine default interface, okay, because we don't want. So now hit the play, and as you can see our touch inputs, okay, like if we can control this very smoothly without any problem, okay. Also I give you the whole project link in the description link below, so you can download and enjoy, and it's totally free. You don't need to pay me anything, okay. So I just hope you like, and if you have any question you can comment in my comment box. I will must try to give you the reply, and I hope you enjoy that. And also you find like this code, if you don't want to the project, you can just, I give you like this, that a full code of source, just copy, okay, and I will give you the text.txt format like this, that I give you kind of like this text, okay. This tags have the code. So if you don't want to download the full project, just open this tags and just select this code, copy this, and just come in your Unreal Engine, and just come in your third person, and simply just click one time and press the Ctrl plus V, and you find all the codes in your here, okay. I just hope you like my video, and if you find all the source. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye. If you have any question, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.